Hare Krishna. We are in Jalokri Kund. Jalokri Kund is called Jal Vihar Kund. Here Shri Krishna used to sit with his friends and have lunch on lotus leaves and drank water with joined two hands and rest here for a while and leave the cows to feed. And in the evening he would call them his flute and take them back home. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, this is Kajal Kund. When Lord Krishna was born, Mother Yashoda put Kajal first time in this place. So this place is named by Kajal Kund. When devotees are coming in Nandgaon, they also come here and took Kajal. This Kajal is also used for making old stove. Dhobi Kund. When Lord Krishna was born, first time in this place, Mother Yashoda cleaned the clothes of Lord Krishna. So this place is named by Dhobi Kund. Dhobi means the place of washing clothes.
Tvameva bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva.
I will tell you about Kamal Kund. When Lord Shiva came and lived in Asiswar, Nand Baba always come here for perform his puja. In Asiswar, Nand Baba saw a wonderful lake. It was full of lotus, and Nand Baba plucked some lotus from this lake and offered to Lord Shiva. So that lake is named by Kamal Kund.
Mukunda Madhava Govinda Bo Keshava Madhava Hari Hari Bo. Mukunda Madhava Govinda Bo Keshava Madhava Hari Hari Bo. Hari Hari Bo, Hari Hari Bo, yeah. Hari Hari Bo, 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 Hari Hari Bo. Keshava Madhava Hari Hari Bol. Keshava Madhava Hari Hari Bol. Mukunda Madhava Govinda Bo. Keshava Madhava Hari Hari Bol.